So what we have here is a 2014 Dodge half-ton truck, and we get these in the shop all the time where people think that their straps are broken. It's not really the strap so much as where it goes into will rot out. So we are going to show you the fix that you can do without having to try to get in there and rebuild all that, and don't even have to drop the tank. So what we do here is, using that hole that's almost right above your strap area, we drop a 2-inch bolt through there that we've welded a piece of threaded rod on, so when it goes to tighten up, it'll grab on the frame here and hold itself. And that hole is drilled right in line with that. So if you can see, right in line with where your straps go, there's our hole. And we drop a bolt in. We use mechanic's helper, pinchy grabby thing, whatever you want to call it, to drop that bolt into the frame. You could use a coat hanger, wrap a coat hanger on it and fish it down in there. And then on the strap, we kind of straighten the strap out and we drill a hole in the end of it. So it's the original strap, so the strap was fine. If you do need to use a brand new strap, you can certainly do that to a new strap also. And we'll watch them bolt it up here now. So the strap ends up just being just as tight as it was before. Like I said, we straightened out this part of it so instead of going up into that receiver up there that's all rotted out, it's a good fix. Funny thing is, one of the very first Dodge trucks that we had in here with this problem, and it's always the front strap that does it, was an engineer from Dodge, and he was not too pleased about it, and was going to take it back to the company and see what they could do about it. Yeah, I think Dodge probably already knew about it, and weren't going to really do anything about it. So that's a quick, easy fix to take care of a problem. You obviously don't want to let that go, because if this tank does fall down, you're going to have a whole lot more problems once you drag a tank and put a hole in it and everything else.